Hey, look, man, what's good, YouTube? Keysowavy, Wavy, and I'm back with another video. So, look, number one, go follow me on Instagram at Key.So-Wavy. But if y'all new to my channel, which I'm sure a lot of y'all will be, because I'm really about to hop into this car thing heavy. As y'all seen by the title, man, look, I got a Dodge Challenger SXT. As y'all know, these don't come stock with spoilers. You feel me? They don't come stock with spoilers, but your boy ordered one. So I'm at the rent office right now. Let's go get it. Alright, look, man, I'm excited. This is like my first mod that I'm doing in my car. As y'all can see, got the box right here. I am gonna open the box right now. Hopefully much come through for me. I don't have no tools personally with me, but I do know somebody that do. Much, the big homie is like, it's like my uncle, for real. And hopefully he's not busy right now. Hopefully he got a little bit of time, like cause he's super busy. So hopefully he got a little bit of time and we can put this on like today. Like I want to get this done put on like right now. But I'm going ahead and unbox it on camera for y'all. Oh, I ain't even got my knife right now cause I don't even feel like looking for it. I'm too excited. And yes, that's my own content in the back. You gotta be your own biggest fan. If you don't even support yourself, ain't nobody else gonna support you either. This junk is right here, bro. I don't care about none of this. Oh, this junk came with the strips on it and everything. Oh, we lit. Oh, we big lit. Oh, yeah. First mod, bro. First mod. Put a spoiler on this junk. Man, I'm so excited. Like, it is making me so happy right now. Y'all don't even understand, bro. Alright, y'all, so right now I'm getting ready to go to Walmart because if y'all didn't know, when you are installing a spoiler on a Challenger SXT, you actually have to drill 2 holes into the back of the trunk, which of course, like, I'm gonna show y'all the whole process. But it's honestly not that bad. It's gonna hurt to drill into my car. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a feeling that I don't want to experience, but it's one of the things that once I do it, I ain't gotta do it again. So that's that. But on top of drilling the 2 holes into the back of the trunk, the easiest way to do it, because I don't want any kind of water damage, and the 2 holes on the outside that are already there won't cause any water damage to the car. So I am gonna go get some Gorilla double-sided tape to put a couple strips of it like in the middle. I do got the whole spoiler right here. I don't even know if you can see it because it's like dark in here and the spoiler is black. But that's basically what I'm about to do. Put some couple strips of double-sided tape, Gorilla double-sided tape on the middle. That way it's like really strong, really sturdy. It's not gonna go nowhere. And man, look, let me just talk to y'all once I get to where I'm going.
On a text from you. Yeah, I want you all, but I can't give you my all.
Alright, what's up, y'all? We back in the car, and I got the tape right here. I also picked up something else. I'm gonna show you. Here go the tape. Y'all see it? It's a double-sided mounted tape, holds up to 38 pounds. Even though I'm not hanging something per se, I'm just, you feel me? Like I'm just mounting a spoiler. Like that's literally all I'm doing. But also, like y'all see, let me see if I show y'all this. Y'all see right here, like where all this is like peeling up. Like I don't like the way that looked, so I also bought this while I was in there just because it was like kind of near the same aisle. It's just like this carbon fiber looking steering wheel cover. I'm not even like a huge steering wheel cover person, but I do personally like this one, and I feel like it's gonna look clean on the car, so I picked this up too. But that's enough talking, man. Let's just get to me installing the spoiler. Look, man, it's the next day. He finally hit me back. You feel me? You.
Bro, are you serious?
I'm dead serious.
Are you really serious the next day?
The next day, hold on.
No.
You got it.
I think I want to measure that first, bro.
Alright, cool. Cause this about to be so scary to watch. Like somebody just drill a hole in your car. Oh yeah, this little ugly dude here too. Bro trying to look cool, trying to be on his phone, trying to take it off guard. Walking around with a knee brace on. For real, I might show y'all his car too. For real. Let me make sure I don't show y'all my license plate. You might find where I live.
Hold that up there real quick.
That's what.
I'm still gonna wish the best for you, but like what's next for you? Is it the same sex for you? Cause I'm hearing that you gave my like a love push you away, and I still can't find the time to try to flex on you.
Hey, let's not play with that. Hey man, look, y'all need y'all TV installed, y'all need y'all spoiler installed. Almost. This beer's peach. Oh, so this gonna go through, huh? Without Stu? It's Stu? Oh, this shit looks so dumb. All right there. That focus. All right there. Now we just gotta do the strips. Catch it, huh? Cause you gotta think the screws got the little things on it, so it ain't gonna let it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh! Hold it. Can you hold that side? Yeah.
Water,
Yeah.
everything out. So you,
Oh, okay.
I was gonna put it like right there,
where?
like one little piece on the inside right there. Couple strips right here, just cause it's nothing supporting the middle to replace that screw,
Right.
and then like one piece like right there. Justin, hold this up. Oh dang, never mind. You good? Too many things at one time. Literally.
Dang, boy, your hands ashy.
Hey, bro, I don't care. Bro. Been out here working, man.
You wanted to end.
Like right there. Mm-hmm.
You're inside, right?
Mhm.
You don't want it in a. Hold on, keep it down.
There you go. So, is it like a little thing up
You
there?
got to peel it off, right? It's like two-sided.
Mm-hmm. Here. Here. I'm gonna put one more right here and one right there.
It's funny that you asked that. I mean, Big Wavy is me. Jay White is more like the college kid that's been in situations with females, and he expresses that through his music. But Big Wavy, I mean, like, what can you say about the guy, man? If nobody knows, I mean, everybody should know. Big Wavy, just a big swag nigga. Cruising to the city with your bitch, you better not get mad, nigga. Get mad.
Is that rain?
Just grab the other
Yeah,
side.
you gonna have to put it down. Put it in the trunk. Put it in the trunk. Oh snap! Ugh. Make sure all the tape stick it where I need it. Oh my god! Woo. Bruh, this joint looks so much better with a spoiler, don't it? Exactly. How you like the man? Hey, I need y'all TV custom installation on Instagram. I got you. Bruh, this joint looks so much better.
Yeah, that's nice though, kid. It adds some character.
Yeah,
I
dude.
Dang, I wonder if you could have took this out and bang this out, bro. Dang, that shit.
I don't even know.
The little black touch up,
see.
man, it's gonna be tough though.
Alright now y'all, that is the end of this video. I wish I could show it to y'all one more time. I'm trying to get this video up, but it's dark outside now. Like, I could show y'all, but honestly be no point. Just tune back into the channel. I'm gonna have another video tomorrow. I'm gonna show the spoiler. So that means you guys subscribe. That means you gotta keep watching my videos. All that good stuff. For the last time, go follow me on Instagram at key.sowavy. Appreciate y'all for coming through. I'm gonna have a lot more car content when the time. Like when I say a lot, I mean it might be a balance between just as much sneakers as you see, you're gonna see car. I took a little break. You feel me? Your boy was working, but we good. Alright, now for real, that's it. Appreciate y'all for coming through. I'll see y'all tomorrow in the next one.